Daily markup, Euro USD, 27th of July 2023. This is the daily chart. We can see that we are bullish on the daily. This is the latest break of structure, and after a break of structure, we can expect a pullback to happen. As far as the daily is concerned, I am expecting price to probably pull back to this daily demand zone over here, or it might even come down further here. But yeah, that's basically the forecast that, after this leg, we expect price to kind of pull back. We can also put the fib tool and see, where we are as far as the daily is concerned. So we are still in the premium of the daily leg, and I'm just going to get rid of these. So the price is still in the premium, and it's as far as the daily is concerned, it's okay to look for shorts till price comes down to a substantial level of demand from where we can expect the pullback to be over and the price to continue until it doesn't. So that's as far as the daily is concerned. Any other significant level? We're probably reacting to some, buy to sell wicks over here. So maybe we can also kind of mark these here as the daily buy to sell wicks. Alright, so this is some kind of a reaction that we're seeing. Coming on to the 4-hour chart, obviously the 4-hour is also bullish, just like the daily, and we've had this is a 4-hour break of structure. Looks like an overextended run here, and we're expecting a pullback to happen. This is the daily buy to sell wicks from where we've had a bit of a reaction. Is this reaction? So this reaction has also caused like a 4-hour chalk, bullish chalk. While the 4-hour is in the pullback, we're expecting price to again maybe come down to this level, which is also in the discount of the daily. But as far as the 4-hour swing is concerned, if I was to just kind of map this, then we are already in, we've come into the discount. We've reacted from this demand and we've gone up. Now, does this mean that, this pullback for the 4-hour is over and we will continue higher? That really remains to be seen. But, there could be so many scenarios. So maybe one scenario is that we kind of go up and we, come down further and then go up. Or we could even, have something like maybe this leg continues and we go into this daily demand and then kind of come down further and then go up, something like this. But, obviously price doesn't have to do anything that we think it'll do. But yeah, we have to be agile and look at how things are going to react. As far as the 4-hour is concerned, we have immediately a supply zone over here. What is the, what is this zone really, what has it achieved, what is it going to do? All that remains to be seen. Yes, it did sweep some liquidity, but did it achieve anything in terms of break of significant structure? Nothing really apart from a chalk and with a lot of momentum. So arguably there is some inducement here, but again, not very clear. So I don't know whether this zone will hold or not. We've also had like a bullish chalk. So perhaps, the pullback on the H4 is complete and maybe we are now looking to go higher. In case we have a break of this POI, that'll give me more confidence in terms of, this POI being, the trend, the pullback being over on the H4 and price pulling up now, and the continuation of the bullish trend. So yeah, we'll wait and see how price really reacts. Going on to the M15, obviously we've turned bullish over here. Haven't really marked this, but if you look at this, we've had a bullish break of structure over here, and yeah, so this then becomes, after a break of structure, we can expect a pullback to happen. This is too small for me to really consider this as a pullback. So I am expecting maybe price comes into this M15 zone over here, and then we have like a pullback coming into this was, I think, news yesterday. We also have some news today, but yeah, so this is an M15 zone which has good inducement in front of it. So I'm expecting probably price pulls up into this and then maybe comes down over here. We do have some major news today, a little later in the day, but yeah, essentially from about 13:15 to 13:45, we have half an hour of, I think, 3 major news events happening. So yeah, please be careful with that. But this is as far as the M15 is concerned. We've just turned bullish. Why have we turned bullish? That's a question that needs to be answered. Is it because the H4 has now turned bullish, or are we having just a pull back to another kind of zone and before we go down further? Or does this signify that the H4 is turned bullish and we go further up to this and come down? We'll wait and watch. Notwithstanding, we can expect, I would be looking for some kind of quick shots once we kind of come here. And we also have to look at, what did this POI really achieve? It achieved, well, a break of structure, like a significant break of structure. It did sweep a lot of liquidity and, do all of that. Also, if you look at this, these all look like equal lows to me, and hence there could be a lot of liquidity residing under these equal lows, and at some point we can expect price to really come down and sweep these lows before kind of going up further. So we need to be agile and then see how price really reacts, and accordingly take a call.